Unbelievable.
Hold on then.
Oh, this is for me. Look,
Oh,
for me.
for Dallas.
Yeah. Mommy, Nanny said he had some presents downstairs.
Someone else.
From me.
Alright.
Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan
Bahagia.
Aisyah dah.
Yay. Thank you again, Uncle Chris. I like it.
Bawa plastik hitam, biasanya penuh plastik hitam ini dengan sampah-sampah habis kado. Mereka sibuk semuanya.
I think that was probably a present for Daddy, wasn't
Oh
it?
yes, for Daddy.
Thanks, Dallas. Oh, chocolate.
I opened it for you.
Yeah, good. You're a good lad.
Can Mommy have one?
Yeah, that's nice.
Can
What's
I have
chocolate?
one?
Yeah, you can have one now.
Oh, Mami Linden. Kami belum sarapan karena Dallas udah mau buka kadonya itu. Lihat sambil makan coklat aja.
Where's another one, Dal?
Jadi sambil makan aja nih buka kadonya, banyak Dallas dapat kado. Kami penonton aja. Wow, enggak dong.
Oh yes, it is a 3D shirt.
Looks like you got a hole in your tummy.
Udah.
Look at that.
Like this, ready?
Thanks. Could I try a fair over? Thank you. This from you?
Yeah.
This is you dah.
Oh no, it's the present that Dallas bought for Daddy. Is that the one that that you bought for me? Good lad you are. Oh, some more chocolates.
Yeah.
That's how we do chocolate.
Here you go, Daddy.
Thanks, Dallas.
That is for you dah.
It isn't. It's what's that? It's the one Dallas bought for Daddy, is it?
For Daddy.
Oh.
Mereka buka-buka kado, hanya saya nggak punya kado.
They're all bright lights of battleships.
What is that, Daddy?
Are they?
Okay.
I'll show you how to play it later. We can all have a go of it later.
Battleship.
Battleship look nice.
Mine no battleship.
No.
I never played it before.
Oh, well, we'll play it later. I'll show you.
Battleship.
Alright. Yes, open it!
Okay, open the way then. Here.
Oh, that is for Mommy.
Yeah. You just passed them
New
through.
slippers.
Some new slippers, sweetheart.
Saya dapat sendal.
For slippers.
Oh, Daddy.
To keep my feet warm. Hold on. Oh, you got some Sky Electric. Is that the big one? Is it?
Yes.
No, that- What is that there? Oh, a fire truck.
Oh.
Yay! Yeah, a big fire truck. Well done now. Have a look.
A new puzzle.
Oh, it's a new puzzle. Oh, we'll be doing that at Christmas,
How
aren't we?
many?
It's 1,000 pieces.
Like the Sonic one.
Yes. Hi then. Look at that, Dal. Oh, goodness. Got my coffee.
Saya bagian tugas kebersihan saja. Oh, what is that?
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow, what is that, Daddy?
Do you want me to get some scissors to cut the sellotape?
Wow.
I know what it is.
What is it then?
Colossal T-Rex.
Really?
T-Rex.
Yeah, a colossal T-Rex. That's
you
the
read it then?
biggest.
Really? Wow, is that what you dream about?
Could you read it? Colossal. Clever boy.
T-Rex.
Woohoo!
I just think about it, and I thought it's a colossal T-Rex. Oh,
Yeah, I
Ow.
know spoke to them.
let's try and figure it out. Oh, the
Wow.
Dominus Rex! Yay!
Is that what you want, Dallas?
Yes, the Dominus Rex. Yes, biggest.
Look, Dallas.
Slide his bits out there. Oops.
Oh,
Go then.
Go put his big tail on. It looks like fire. Yeah.
It's big, isn't it?
Yeah,
Wow.
very big.
How is this? Ah.
Ini yang sibuknya Richie atau Dallas?
Hold on, I'll play go for a second. Yeah. There you go. He's standing up on his own now. There you go. If you want to move him down, just move the leg. Like that. If the legs moves, you can have him coming right down like that, Peachy. Hold on. There you go. You go. Eating the baby dinosaurs. Poor little dinosaurs.
No.
This is for Mami.
Yeah, that's for Mummy.
Tadi hampir sedih nggak dapat kado ini buat saya katanya. Mari kita buka apa dalamnya.
My family. Woohoo! They do have batteries. Look.
Yes. Oh yes, what they do?
Daddy,
What's that?
you're right. There is batteries. There is batteries.
Where?
Here.
Hold on there. Let's have a look then. Let's have a look. Might just be something to do with the internals.
Wow, picture! Is this from
Yeah, it's
from
everywhere.
Dallas or from Daddy?
From everybody, Mummy.
Picture!
There's no, that's just something to do with the design. So.
No batteries.
Saya disuruh bikin kue.
Yeah. Your mixer. We're going to have more
Mixer.
cakes. More cakes.
Sweetheart, for juice?
Yep.
Wow.
We've got one at the front here.
What is that?
It's just grinder.
Oh,
Put it-
from
put it in-
beef.
Yeah, that's it.
Jadi bisa untuk jus, untuk beef juga. Jadi, look timer with the screen.
Yeah.
Berat. Mixer besar.
You like the old dinosaur, don't you, mate?
Akhirnya kebagian juga. Thank you, sweetheart. mau ngambil hadiah dari bride and die buat Dallas di apartemen bawah. Halo. We ready? Yes, we go down now.
You're going down?
Yes, look.
Oh, I thought you'd have been. Oh,
No, we want to show you. Just wait.
Is it frozen? Yeah.
No?
Frozen. I don't need to wait for that. No,
Go back again.
it's because you got no internet in.
Oh yes. Hello.
Hello. Right, here he goes. Okay, John.
here we go.
Go then. Get going.
Have a look. Have a look in the wardrobe.
Have a look in the wardrobe.
The other side.
Try the other side then.
Oh, there's nothing here.
Oh, what have we got there?
What's in there? Anything?
Oh my life.
Oh my.
Oh, Well, think about it then.
Oh.
You know what we should have done, Richard and
Yeah.
everything?
Yes.
We should have wrapped them up in about 10 pieces of paper.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh ya Allah.
Yeah. Right.
Banyak banget.
Okay. So it's cold in here.
He's cool.
Yeah, yeah. Come on then, Dad. Should we take them upstairs in the warm? You know,
Okay.
carry them. There. Go on. Hold on, carry on. Okay. Give some. Yeah.
I've got a piece of board in the garage. If you need it.
Oh yeah, yeah. To be passing it on to you. Can you grab that one there as well?
Okay.
Yeah. Come on then, Dad. So back
Come on.
upstairs. We'll go and unwrap in the warm.
Okay.
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 Kami kayak habis merampok rumah orang.
Go on, Ellie.
Okay.
Okay.
Where is my phone?
You might like it.
Okay.
Okay.
Kami sudah kayak habis ngambil hadiah di rumah orang karena nggak bisa bertemu dengan bride and die, jadi seperti inilah mereka buat kejutan. Hello, we home now.
You're back.
Yes, we back. Okay.
Has he started ripping? Oh, what? Oh! T-Rex.
I know.
No, it's not a T-Rex.
Destination.
What is that?
What it
A
is?
Dominus Rex.
Oh, okay. Oh,
And it's colossal.
Colossal. Okay, Fida.
Oh, down. What's
Nah, di grandatnya
What's
nonton.
that, Dal?
What is that, Dal?
A Batman scale electric.
The Batman's got electric.
Wow.
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 Electric. Wow.
Wow.
Mine got 2 scale electrics now.
Oh, no, one's a train. Which is a train? One's a train. Oh.
Right, come on then,
Come on,
Dal.
Dal.
There we go. We'll set that up a bit later, shan't we?
Yeah.
Well, you had Richie and everything.
We'll put that on the side then. Okay.
Okay,
What are you
Dad.
going to open next?
This
Activity selection box. Books, stickers, pencils, crayons,
Wow.
Avengers.
Very nice.
Okay.
Okay, next, Dad.
Oh. Who's a lucky boy? All the presents you've had.
Yes.
Oh, look
Spider-Man.
at that.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, it says Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Says it's a Spider-Man.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
What is that, Dad?
Fantastic. DVDs, isn't it?
Is it DVD?
What
What is
about?
that?
Okay. Include books.
Oh,
It's
book.
books. It's
Oh, right, little books.
Oh,
Adventure Library. It's books all about the
wow.
Avengers.
Oh, he's got his own little library there.
Oh,
that's cool.
Yes, very nice.
Ant-Man, Black Panther, Captain Marvel, Loki.
Oh. Oh, his
You
collection
must
then.
have been a good boy to have all those.
Hello.
Yes.
Oh. What's that then?
Oh.
What's that then?
Is that there?
Have a look at the front.
Wow.
It's a drying set.
The train set there.
Drying.
Choo choo.
Yeah. I have to set that. We'll set that up on the board, Brian. I think.
Yeah.
You can tackle the tracks to it and that. So okay. They're cool.
Oh, what is that next?
What do you want that money?
Oh, what is that? Oh, his car.
What is it, Dal? Let's have a look. Oh, it's a Junior Meccano. Oh, that's fine. You'll be able to build yourself different things with that. And then all you got to do, you can put your belt on. Tool belt. For when he's helping Daddy. It's cool, that is, Dal. You'll be able to build different cars. Another puzzle. Oh, it's a 1,000-piece one as well.
Oh, 1,000 pieces.
It's to go with your other 2 puzzles you've got.
Oh, wow.
Well, that's cool, isn't it?
Yes, it's very
It's
nice.
good. Oh, and that one there as well, of course. It's very book.
Lihat, rumah udah kayak kapal pecah ini, isinya hadiah-hadiah semua. Nah, sekarang mereka sibuk lagi buatin sky electric.
Yeah.